Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I partnered up with Outlery. The product that I am going to be showcasing for you today is the cutlery set. If you like what you see in this video and you want to get your very own, use the promo code SMOKINGBEARD10 to get 10% off your order. So let's go ahead and unbox this cutlery set and let me show you what they have to offer. First thing you see is the instructions here and the box of the cutlery itself. I chose the rainbow version of it. They have a lot of different colors, at least 4 to 6 different colors. So if the rainbow version is not your cup of tea, you can always choose your very own colors. So this is a set that I did get from Outlery. Now you do have, again, we have the spoon, we have the fork, we have a knife, we have 2 sets of handles. Now, the way you know which set is which, this first part is gonna go in here like this. And this one, if you notice, on one side it has to be able to screw in, and on the other side is solid. That's how you know this is the end part of it. And all you're doing here is you're gonna assemble your set. Now, if you need to, you can add this silicone thing here so you can turn it. Pull it back. Then you add one of these. You want to secure it, turn it in there, and you're ready to go. Let's assemble the rest of them. And there you go. Within a couple of seconds, you have your set ready to go. Now, you might want to ask yourself, why? Why would I want to buy this? You know, I get, whenever I go to a restaurant, they have their own forks and knives. Whenever I take out, they have their own forks and knives. So what would make this a buy that I would want to get for me or someone that I know? The very first one is it's environmentally friendly. If you're looking at reducing the plastic that we use as in general, this is the perfect way to do it. Every time you use this, that's one set of utensils that is not being utilized in plastic to get the job done. Another reason somebody might want to get this is, let's say they want to use their own utensils at a restaurant, and you ask yourself, why would I want to use my own utensils? Hey, you might not be as confident that they're washing them properly in the back. And this has happened to me. The third reason that I would want to purchase something like this is whenever you have takeout, there's one of 2 things that happen with your utensils. Either one, they forget to add them in there, which really like throws everything off when you're ready to eat and you don't have your utensils. Or the utensils that you're buying or that they provide to you are very flimsy. There's been countless times when I go and I pick up something to eat and I use their utensils and their forks are just flimsy. It just doesn't do the job. For you outdoor types like your campers and hikers, this is a good way of transporting utensils if you prefer not to use plastic. Now, the reason that this sets everything apart is like, well, I can get my own fork or I can get my own spoon and knife and just stick it in my pocket and let's go. Why would I purchase this? Well, the reason you would purchase this is because the first thing is these are called collapsible cutlery, which means they're going to be able to be taken apart. You're going to be able to put them into your little case, and you're going to be able to put this case into your pocket, avoiding either nicks or stabs from your utensils when you're carrying this around with you. The only thing they ask is whenever you do use them, clean them with mild soap and water. So if you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Like I mentioned before, there is a 10% discount if you use my promo code SMOKINGBEARD10. I will leave a lot of this information on the link on the description below. But if you guys have this and you use it, let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.